Welcome everyone to the Compliance Weekly 3rd September 2024. Let's start with the compliance dashboard walkthrough. The last discussed issue was update external statistics. The next one is on me, filter frameworks by and operation. So, mm, uh, so earlier the filtering for frameworks was happening by an OR operation, which was not desired. So this change uh, moves that to an AND operation. Josefa, next one is on your add relation between security policies and compliance requirements.
Yes, in this issue, we wanted to add a relation between the new compliance requirements table and security policies. So there's a many-to-many relation between these two. So I added that with this MR. It's merged and closed, verified.
Natalia, next one is on your edge case update.
Yes, basically, this is an edge case update. So for the subgroups, because the user actually is not able to create the frameworks there. So for the scenario when there is no frameworks for this group yet, we show a little banner saying that they can create the frameworks in the top level group. And we do this for the frameworks tab and for the projects tab as well.
Anything else to discuss here? Okay. So moving ahead to planning issue. Josefa and Natalia, custom adherence configuration MVC.
Yeah, so on this one, there are some discussions on the backend side, and I also created a draft ADRMR to actually update the architectural design. The major change here is instead of having every setting, like creating a new service for every setting, we want users to we want the ability for the users to select the settings as a drop down and then create equations from that, logical expressions from that. So for example, a setting could be merge method, and then that could be equal to, and then the field, the value for that. So it could be like fast forward or merge commit and things like that. So a user should be able to do something like that. So I have things in an initial state right now, and it's still in discussion. But I just wanted to let you know, Natalia, that probably that might hamper things on the front end as well. We might have to change some designs and how we have planned front end for that.
You mean for the requirements and checks?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't started on those yet, so I guess
Okay.
this is fine.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So you're done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, from my side, like I've been working on the framework actions. They were merged, but it is in verification now. So basically in the framework tab, directly from there, the user can delete, edit, and copy the ID of each framework listed there. And then right now I work on the next issue, which is new styling for the edit frameworks and creating frameworks, and also the success screen for the framework creation. It is now in maintainer review. So this is my progress.
So the later update was for this one, right? Or something else? It was for custom adherence. Okay.
Yeah, because as you can see, there is two DRIs. So Josefa gave update on the backend side, and I gave it.
So there are changes for frameworks in this adherence configuration too. Okay, so there are requirements and checks under the frameworks section.
Mhm.
Uh, so next one is on SAM, compliance pipeline to security policy migration. Anyone has an idea? No.
Well,
I think Nate created an issue on Slack yesterday around rolling out the feature flag. I'm not sure where it is, but there was a thread, and the plan is to actually roll this out this milestone.
uh, Next one is on me. Add compliance adherence requirement for e-scanner. So for this, I have created a POC MR for the SaaS scanner. So whenever a scanner runs on a project, uh, the artifact gets created and we create a adherence check for the same. So I've created a demo video for that too. And similarly, we can extend this for DOS dependency scanning and secrets detection and many other scanners too. So that is one way to go ahead, and I'm also exploring other ways. Uh, Next one is also on SAM, third party connected to Snowflake. Any updates? Next one is on Hersimar for Cells 1.0 compliance database tables. Any updates? Next one is on me, consolidation of tables for streaming audit events. So I started working on the instance audit event streaming. Uh, uh, so I started working on the MR for this. Uh, I'm just planning out the that how we need to uh, how we need to create the classes and the overall structure for this, because earlier we were using strategies, but I'm thinking a whole new kind of pattern for this. Next one is Natalia, multiple compliance framework labels. This one is closed. So
yeah, it is close. So I think Nate posted an update in a weekly update that the release post was merged, and overall we're done with it.
next one is on Ilya, make compliance center available to project subgroups. Any updates? Uh, Next one is on NATE, compliance audit law. So we are done with the planning issue. No design and Q updates, no discussions. So I think we are done. Thank you everyone for joining.